Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide your gender information on Facebook timeline. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide your gender information on Facebook timeline, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper left corner. Then click on About tab and then scroll down. Click on Contacts and Basic Info. Now scroll down. Here you will find gender and you will find an edit icon here. Click on edit icon and here you will find show on my timeline. Now it's selected. That's why on timeline my gender information will be visible. Now deselect this option and then click on save. Now gender information is hidden on my Facebook timeline. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.